Hello, and welcome to the Daily English Boost. Get ready to learn and grow with fun, easy, and quick lessons.
Hey, Kate, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's up?
Have you ever been really sick, but you didn't know how to explain it in English?
Oh my God, yes. That happened to me once in London. I had a terrible headache and I just stood there like, my head bad.
Exactly. And the doctor is waiting, and you're like, help?
Right? So today, let's talk about that. How do you speak English at the doctor?
Yes, simple, useful English, not complicated. It's just real conversation.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Kate. Thank you for being here today.
And I'm Martin. On this channel, we help you practice real-life English for everyday conversations.
If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.
Okay, so Kate, let me start with a question. When was the last time you went to the doctor?
Maybe 2 months ago. I had a cold, a really bad cold.
Oh no. What happened?
Well, I woke up one morning and my throat was so sore, like I couldn't even swallow.
Ouch, that's the worst.
Yeah, and I had a fever too, so I called the doctor's office.
Okay, good. So, first step, calling the doctor. What did you say?
I said, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please."
Nice, simple and clear.
Right. And they asked, "What's the problem?" So I said, "I have a sore throat and a fever."
Perfect. See, you don't need big words. Just say what hurts.
Exactly. And they gave me an appointment for the next day.
That's lucky. Sometimes you have to wait a week.
I know, but I was really sick, so they helped me fast.
Okay, so you went to the doctor. What happened there?
Well, first the receptionist asked for my name and my date of birth.
Date of birth. That's your birthday, right?
Yes, like January 15th, 1990, or whatever.
Got it. And then?
Then I sat in the waiting room, and after about 10 minutes, the doctor called my name.
Okay. So you go into the doctor's room, then what?
The doctor said, "Hello, Kate, how can I help you today?"
Classic question.
Right. So I said, "I have a sore throat, and I feel very tired. I also have a fever."
Good. You told her the symptoms.
Exactly. Symptoms. That's what you feel when you're sick.
Right. Like headache, stomach ache, cough, runny nose.
Yes. Oh, and I forgot. I also had a cough.
So the doctor knew everything.
Yeah. And then she asked, "How long have you had these symptoms?"
Ah, good question. How long?
I said, "For 3 days."
Smart. Always tell them how many days.
Right. Because if it's 1 day, maybe it's nothing. But if it's 5 days, maybe it's serious.
Exactly. So what did the doctor do next?
She checked my throat. She said, "Open your mouth, please."
And you go, ah,
Yes, exactly. Ah. And she looked inside with a light.
did it hurt?
No, not really. just a little uncomfortable.
Okay, and then?
She listened to my lungs. She said, "Take a deep breath."
So you breathe in and out.
Yes. And she put the stethoscope on my back and my chest.
Stethoscope! That's the thing doctors used to listen, right?
Exactly. The cold metal thing.
I hate that. It's always so cold.
I know, but it's important.
True. So what did she say after checking you?
She said, "You have a throat infection. It's not serious, but you need to rest."
Okay, good. Not serious.
Right. And she gave me a prescription.
A prescription. That's the paper for medicine, right?
Yes. You take it to the pharmacy, and they give you the medicine.
Got it. So what medicine did you get?
Antibiotics and some throat lozenges.
Throat lozenges. Like candy for your throat?
Kind of. They help with the pain.
Nice. And did you feel better?
Not immediately, but after 2 days, yes. Much better.
That's good. Rest is so important.
Absolutely. The doctor also said, drink lots of water and stay warm.
Classic advice. But it works.
It really does.
Okay, so Kate, let me ask you this. What if someone is really nervous at the doctor? Like, they don't understand everything?
Oh, that happens a lot.
So what should they say?
Just say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "I don't understand."
Right, don't be shy. Doctors understand.
Exactly. Or you can say, "Can you speak more slowly?"
Good one. Because sometimes doctors talk really fast.
True. And if you don't know a word, just describe it. Like if you don't know dizzy, you can say, "My head feels strange, like everything is moving."
Ah, smart. Use simple words.
Yes. Don't worry about perfect English. Just communicate.
I love that. Okay, here's another question. What if you need to call an ambulance?
Ooh, that's serious.
Yeah, emergency situation.
Okay, in most countries, you call a number. In the UK, it's 999. In the US, it's 911.
Right. And what do you say?
You say, "I need an ambulance. It's an emergency."
Okay, and then,
They ask, "What happened?" So you say, my friend fell and can't move," or "Someone is having chest pain."
chest pain. That's serious.
Very serious. Chest pain can be a heart problem.
Right. So always call if someone has chest pain.
Absolutely. And then the operator asks, "Where are you?" So you give your address.
Important. Always know your address.
Yes. Or if you're outside, describe the place, like, "I'm in front of the big supermarket on King Street."
Perfect. Okay, Kate, let me ask you something. What's the difference between a cold and the flu?
Oh, good question. A cold is not so bad. You have a runny nose, maybe a cough, a little tired.
So you can still work or go to school.
Maybe, if it's not too bad.
Okay. And the flu?
The flu is much worse. High fever, body aches, very tired. You need to stay in bed.
So, with the flu, you can't do anything.
Exactly. You just sleep and rest.
Got it. And what about allergies?
Allergies are different. You sneeze a lot, your eyes are itchy, maybe your nose is runny, but no fever.
So, allergies are annoying, but not dangerous.
Usually, yes. Unless you have a serious allergy, like to peanuts.
Right. That can be really dangerous.
Yes, some people carry an EpiPen for that.
An EpiPen? That's like emergency medicine, right?
Exactly. If someone has a serious allergic reaction, you use it.
Wow. Okay. So many things to know. I know. But don't worry. You don't need to know everything, just the basics, right? Like, I feel sick. I need help.
Exactly. That's enough.
Okay, here's a fun one. Have you ever had to go to the hospital for something embarrassing?
Oh no. Why are you asking me this?
Come on, tell us.
Okay, fine. Once I ate too much ice cream and my stomach hurt so bad.
Wait, you went to the hospital for ice cream?
I thought it was appendicitis. I was so scared.
Oh no. And what did the doctor say?
He said, Kate, you just ate too much. Go home and rest.
That's hilarious.
It was so embarrassing. But I learned my lesson. No more 3 bowls of ice cream.
3 bowls. Kate!
I know. Don't judge me.
Okay, but seriously, that's a good lesson. Sometimes small problems feel big.
Exactly. But if you're worried, always go to the doctor. Better safe than sorry.
Absolutely, your health is the most important thing.
Yes. Don't ignore pain or problems.
Right. Okay, so before we finish, let me ask our listeners something.
Yes. We want to hear from you.
Have you ever been to the doctor in an English-speaking country? What happened?
Or, what's the hardest thing for you? Explaining your problem? Understanding the doctor?
Write in the comments. We read everything and we love hearing your stories.
And if this video helped you, share it with a friend. Maybe they need it too.
Yes, learning together is more fun.
All right, Martin, I think that's it for today.
Yeah, remember, everyone, going to the doctor is normal. Don't be scared, just use simple English.
You can do it. We believe in you.
And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We make new videos every day.
Yep. See you next time.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye.